Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lottie animation in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the link folder, and inside the link folder let's create new file. I'm gonna say homepage.dart file, and here let's create stateless widget and let's send the class name to homepage, and here let's return scaffold. Okay, give the app bar to the scaffold, give the title. Let's give the text widget to the title and right here I'm gonna write Lottie animation. Okay, now open up the main.dart file, and let's delete this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, let's return here material app. Okay, now give the home to the material app, that homepage we have just created, and we'll get this blank white screen with this text to the app bar. And let's remove this debug banner also from here. Make the debug show check mode banner property to the false, and it will remove this debug banner. Okay, now close the main.dart file and open up the home page. Okay, and now open up the browser and go to the pop.dev and search for Lottie. Okay, you'll get this package over here which has like 1.79 million downloads for now. Click on this package and click on the installing tab. Okay, now copy this command line, or you can just copy this and add to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal of my project directory, and it will add the Lottie package to our Flutter project. Now if you open up the pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, now go to the google.com and search for Lottie. Okay, or you can go to the lottiefiles.com. Okay, click on this link. Okay, you have to sign up and sign in to this account. Okay, and now click on this source animation. Okay, I'm going to use just loading so animation. Okay, uh, let's use this one. I'm going to use this one. Okay, click on it and click on the download button, and either you could create new folder or use the this one. I'm going to use this folder and save it. Okay, clear, cool. Now roll down and let's download this Lottie JSON. Okay, click on the download and it will download this JSON file. Now open the folder. Okay, let's rename this to loading only. Okay, perfect. Now open up the VS Code and let's create new folder here. I'm gonna say assets. Okay, now let's drag that JSON file to this folder. Okay, now open up the this is our JSON file. Now open up the pubspec.yml file again and roll down. Let's set the path of that JSON file. Come here. Let's set the path like this. Okay, we have lib folder, and inside the lib folder we have assets folder. We set the path like this and save it. Okay, now open up the homepage.dart file and give the body to the scaffold, give the column children, and now open up the browser and click on this readme tab over here to this link. You can use that JSON file directly from the internet also by using lottie.network. I'm going to use from the assets folder from our project directory. Okay, so type here lottie.assets and give the link path of that file, assets slash loading dot this capital letter. Okay, here we go. This is how you can use the Lottie animation in your Flutter project. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.